individuals often think about us versus them. So you come up with in-group versus out-group feelings. And that causes a lot of conflict in terms of values and ideals that a group shares amongst itself and with others. This intergroup conflict leads often to feelings of aversion and hostility and prejudice. We've studied this in the context of the Boston bombing event, and where the idea was that we've taken tweets and identified certain specific groups to see if there were reactions against these groups, and sort of try and identify whether they were justified at all or not, or led into group prejudice. And these models have worked really well in practice, which allows us to classify things as prejudice versus not, intergroup prejudice versus not, to be more precise. And as an end user of the social media, you would definitely want to be shielded or protected from such things. So the idea is to have that software in the program so that you are not even allowed to see it. But are we able to even identify them is the first question. We are actually in the process of communication with Twitter to see if this can be enabled as a feature in Twitter itself. But it's also been discussed with other social media, and we are trying to figure out if browser-based arrangements can also be made.